issue will
They
answer the
came
issue,
to
my lord,
serve notice without serving copy of the FIR.
ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? I don't think police are that either to not to get FIR copy to serve to you.
No, my lord. This is a politically motivated case. That is the reason why I am, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ politically motivated.
My lord.
That misconception ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Women need men's support ಅಂತ.
ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ
It's not,
my lord.
it's not the language. ಆ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
353 clause 2, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತು sir. Last time I not to take courses.
Your lordship may see the, I undertook to produce the conversation which happened when we went to serve a notice. Your lordship may see, my lord.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Right? Altercation.
This is
Verbal altercation.
the issue. When police officer goes for a serving, you take it, you challenge it, and you can't be making them to stand there and then.
Issue is this, my lord.
Issue will
They
answer the
came
issue,
to
my lord,
serve
but
notice without serving copy of the FIR.
it's there.
But
It's there.
it is my
Copy
right
is also
as
given.
everybody.
Correct. FIR is your right.
They have not served, my lord, FIR. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾಳೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
In fact,
Totally, my lord.
in fact, the conversation itself is.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 149/2026 ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಪಿ.
FIR
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
FIR ಕಾಪಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
No, my lord.
I don't think police are that either to not to get FIR copy to serve to you.
No, my lord. They have not served.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನಾ ಇದು FIR ಅಂತಾನೂ ಇದೆ conversation.
Second time when they came, my lord, they came with FIR. Two incidents
It's second time or first time?
ಇದು probably second time ಇರಬಹುದು.
Probably. In probabilities ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Put it right now, my lord.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
But my lord, the issue is they have went to serve notice, my lord, without.
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. List on 7th. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
I'll tell you. Week after that.
My lord, then
the
let
protective
them
order,
not file charge sheet, my lord.
the protective order, don't worry, you are before the court. The protective order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. Yes.
They will, my lord, file charge sheet otherwise.
ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬ.
Sanction ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, sanction ಬೇಕು. It is not that the charge sheet can be filed in one
No,
day.
in lightning speed they have,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬಾ.
in lightning speed they have filed charge sheet in this kind of cases, my lord. This is a politically motivated case. That is the reason why I am, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ politically motivated. Yes. Next ಏನು?
Lord, this is a protest by, my lord, woman wing of political party, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, they have protested and, my lord, they have.
ಮೆನ್ನು ಇದಾರೆ
ಅವರು
ಮತ್ತೆ ವುಮನ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
but
ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜು,
it was
ಆನಂದಪ್ಪ
led by woman, my lord, and allegation against woman only, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Supporting, back end support.
Oh, women don't need your support, sir. They are enough for themselves.
Only allegation, my lord, protested, my lord.
That misconception ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Women need men's support ಅಂತ.
No.
Yes.
It is not that back end support can be given to anybody, my lord. I am not saying they are not incapable.
Backhand
or-
support.
Yes, my lord. Not that, my lord, they led the protest.
What do you mean by
It was
backhand?
organized, led by the woman.
Backhand support ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Well, my lord, only support, moral support rather.
That's correct. Morals.
Register number 1 is an MLC.
ಏನ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಾರಿ, ಮಾರಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ.
Page number 19, my lord.
And it was, my lord, protest was done in the presence of the police. Police did not register any suo moto case. It is only after 5 or 6 hours, some third person.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I'll secure the records, my lord. Yes, I have.
You should secure the poster also.
Posters will be interesting.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We'll secure them.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬಾರಿ ಬೈದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Protest, my lord.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, come to page 19.
Yes.
This is not the way.
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್
not my lord,
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಆ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
that is the language my lord normally is in use my lord at that region, not that my lord it's a kind of slang my lord I can say.
ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್, ಎಸ್.
Only my lord women their interest may be protected my lord, and there is nothing my lord to recover or anything.
Secure the records next week.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure the records to substantiate the allegations made against these petitioners as to whether it could become the ingredients of the offences so laid. List the matter on 7th. ಈಗ urgency ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Since all lord the ladies are there, my lord, there.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Be calling my lord to the police station.
ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are asking
Don't call ladies to the police station. Yes, he will not. 7th.
some protection.
ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ? They may pick and choose anybody and then they implicate.
SPP is saying they will not.
If required,
SPP is saying they will not. Don't worry. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ ಅಂತ.
200 ಜನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
16 ಜನ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇತರರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಇತರರಿಗೆ?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್.